In this video, we will show you how to tape and mud a frame for your linear air bar to maintain the product's clean architectural lines. This method can also be used for Shoemaker linear bar grills and slotted diffusers with tape and mud frames. In this demonstration, the ducting has already been framed in. Start by inserting the linear air bar into the framed hole in the duct and secure it into place by screwing through the mounting flange into the framing. Next, you'll cut the sheetrock, notching around the air bar, and secure the sheetrock with screws. Make sure to mud the gaps between the linear air bar and the sheetrock. Then tape off the seams. Once the linear air bar is secured and the sheetrock and taping are complete, you are ready to finish mudding. Make sure to mud the air bar from the sheetrock across the mud lips. Note how the mud gets floated all the way up the lip to the slot opening. Now you're ready for painting. By following these simple taping and mudding guidelines, you can maintain a polished look